can always see the night.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually gonna go ahead and talk about Supreme Week 4. It's crazy that this is already the 4th week of Supreme. Honestly, this might be the best week yet. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. There's some heat coming out with this Crow collaboration. There's also some heat from the lookbook coming out, which I do want to cover. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. And do not forget to click those post notification bells so you're notified whenever we post a new video. I got so much content coming for y'all. Make sure you subscribe. I've literally been posting for days straight. I may have took a break yesterday, but we back, and honestly, I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep going hard for y'all. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So let's go ahead and get into the drop list for this week, week 4. We actually do have a lot of bangers. I'm gonna start from the top of the list and work my way down. There's a lot of items to actually go through this week. I want to make sure that I cover them to the best of my ability. I do want to go ahead and shameless plug Nori Archives. This is basically like mood board. I'm gonna talk about sneakers on there, just a bunch of shit that I feel like is sick and just has to do with the culture, tied in with certain releases that I'll be posting in my story to keep y'all posted. A lot going on there, so make sure you go ahead and check out Nori Archives. So first at the top, we got the Pearl logo hooded sweatshirt. This one is actually clean, bro. Comes in like 6 different colorways, and personally, I'm digging the cream. That Oakland colorway isn't that bad, but honestly, I would rock the cream, the gray, the black, maybe the red. I'd probably just go cream or gray on this piece. Definitely a solid one in my opinion. I'm gonna open it up a little bit more in detail. So yeah, it basically has like these little ass pearls around the actual border of the Supreme branding. I think it's pretty solid. Let me know what you guys have to say about this piece in the comments. And that cream colorway is definitely gonna resell. Possibly the black will do well in the future as well. Second up, we do have this hard edge lighter, which is a Subota Pearl collab. This one comes in 3 different colorways. Honestly, I'm good on this. I don't really need another lighter. I have like 3 Zippos. I don't see myself buying any more unless it's like a sick ass design. I don't really need another lighter to just sit right there. Let's go ahead and talk about the hand mix paint stick. This is actually fire. Comes in a set of 2. I thought you had to go ahead and buy them separately, but it's clean that they're putting both of them together. That way I don't have to pick and choose which one I want or which I don't. Depending on the price of this piece, I might end up going for it. If I could just add it to a cart or something, that would be sick. We do have the no comp box logo fitted. This one is a banger. I'm gonna open this one in a tab just because this shit is hard. Yo, all these shits are fire. Besides like that purpley color, I wouldn't really wear that one. That brown with the pink though, that shit is fire. I'm not gonna lie, that's probably my favorite one. Second, maybe navy or the red. I definitely do like all these colorways. I feel like this fitted down the line might be worth something. It says opening day 2021. Supreme box logo on the side with the little details. Under the brim, it actually says no comp, if you guys can see right here. Actually hard. I'm not gonna lie, this one's hard. This one's hard. Next, we got the first piece from the Crow collaboration. If you guys don't know, The Crow is a movie that came out in 1994, which is the year that Supreme started, and it is like this action movie featuring the son of Jet Li. If y'all don't know, Jet Li is basically super kung fu mans out here, you feel me? And his son is starring in this movie, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I haven't watched it, but for years I've heard so many good things about this movie, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and give it a shot. I watched the trailer this morning and it's looking pretty sick, but I don't see it streaming anywhere. I was actually gonna watch it and I still plan to. This shit looks fire. I didn't know that much about it before, but I did my due diligence and it's looking sick. Collab almost reminds me of the Akira collaboration. I'll talk about that in a little bit. This piece is hard right here. I definitely like the ones with the eyes. Fire. Hey, I'm honestly excited about this week. This is probably my favorite week, even more than week 1. We got this high density small box short sleeve. I don't know what that means. I'm assuming it's like a rubberized patch on it, like a thick logo. Honestly, that's not that bad. On that brown tee, it almost looks like an essentials type vibe from Supreme, which, hey, that would be clean if Supreme did some essentials type shit, you know? Personally, for the price that this is coming out at, I'm gonna just take a seat on that. Let's go ahead and talk about the next piece. piece, which is the crow hooded sweatshirt. This shit is amazing. I really do love the way that the graphics translate onto the actual clothing. The back of them are fire. It says pain, fear, irony, despair, death, and supreme. Gorgeous, bro. I'm gonna have to pick this up no matter what. Definitely need this in any color. I don't really care. Just let me get a large or XL in any color. If there's any pieces that I feel like are gonna resell, it definitely will be this hoodie right here. I could honestly see this doing 300 plus in the aftermarket. This olive color is also beautiful. Honestly, all of these shits are, like I said before, any color. Let me get that. I need that. Crow cargo pants. This brown color they chose is nasty, bro. That brown color is just so beautiful. Like, let me know if y'all feel how I feel in the comments. The patches on these pants are crazy. This is honestly one of the Supreme pants that I would go out of the way and purchase. I definitely love that patch in the back pocket area. Then the patch at the bottom as well on the back is crazy. Side pocket patch as well. Clean pair of pants. I would go for it in either color. The black or the brown are both fire. Yo, y'all know how I said that the hoodie is clean, the one with the words on the back. We got the tee with the crow Supreme design on it. On the back, it got that same vibe with it. Nasty. Like, this collaboration definitely is a 8.5, a 9 out of 10 minimum. This is definitely clean. Let me know what y'all think, but I know I'm not gassing this shit. I honestly really am digging the design on it. It has like this Akira, almost like a mystery animated type feeling to it. I love when Supreme does these styled collaborations, and it's almost what like keeps me in the loop, because when Supreme does this, I'm all for it, bro. Like, take my money. With this type of collaboration, literally take my money. Let me know what y'all have to say, but this is definitely hard. In the comments, let me know your top 3 pieces releasing this week. Pause the video real quick, go comment, and then start back up. Yeah, so we got this military camp cap, which was supposed to release last week. I already spoke about it last week. I think it's alright. Navy, red, and the black are my favorite colorways for that. We got the crow long sleeve banger. That tan colorway is beautiful, bruh. Definitely solid. This collaboration is giving me positive vibes for Supreme. On the back of this one, you do have the definition of the words that were on the other pieces: pain, fear, irony, despair, death, and then Supreme at the bottom. This is honestly so sick. Does come in 4 different colorways: white, black, plum. Then you do have that tan colorway, which is my favorite for this piece. I'd probably get this in tan and the other one in olive or black. Can't go wrong with either one of those. Let's go ahead and continue. Next up, we got the Supreme the Crow sweater. I kind of see why this one gets a little bit more hidden in the mist, a little bit more down when it comes to votes, because it's a little bit more out there, you feel me? Like, not everybody's gonna rock some shit like this. This is definitely one of the pieces that I just go ahead and skip on. We do got the crow work jacket, which this shit is crazy. The black one comes with a different design than the tan one. Both of them are fire. If you can see right here, the black one has the homie with the pistol like this, and then the other one has the same design that was on the tee and on the hoodies as well. I kind of am digging the black one on this. It gives it more of like a edgy vibe. I love the front, the way that they did that patch at the bottom with the old English at the top. Super simple. I love the branding on this. It's just perfect in my opinion. A lot of people do feel like when it comes to Supreme, you need a lot of branding or just like a big ass box logo on the front, but sometimes it's better to just keep it a little subtle. I would honestly get it in this khaki color. I don't have any jackets like this, and I feel like I could get a black one easier than I could get a tan. So we got the crow regular jeans. This one comes in 2 different colorways, that purple and then the white. This is definitely more clean in the white colorway. It's almost like a scene from the manga or the comic book. It's like a scene from that, and they're like talking, literally having a conversation like they would in the manga on the pair of pants, which I do think it's a sick ass concept. I just wish that these were a little bit more tapered at the bottom or just had like a better inseam. Personally, that's why I stay away from Supreme pants. If I were to pick up a pair of pants, it would hands down be these, because you could go ahead and tighten the toggle at the bottom, but this pair of pants right here I'd probably skip. This hooded sweatshirt is actually not that bad. I do love the way that they put the patches on the head and all that. Actually a zip up, which I don't have no Supreme zip ups. I love that olive tone. That one's just beautiful. The black one is hard too though. This one basically has the dude's face zipped off halfway, you feel me? And it has the crow patch on the side, Supreme spell out on the top of the hood. Beautiful piece once again. If it had the irony and all that shit on the back, this would be probably the best piece in the collection. I do think that it is fire, and I don't understand why it's so low. Maybe because it's a zip up. Next up, we got the crow work shirt. This one is another banger, bro. Like, if I had no choice but to pick this up, I wouldn't even be mad. And this black color does look solid with the word spelled out on the back. I'm glad they kept it just the black color, because this could have went bad so fast. This is clean in the black color with the Supreme spell out low branding, solid. We do got the leather jacket, which we saw in the lookbook. This is gonna go for beans, so I'm not even gonna talk about it too much. This bitch is gonna go for rent money, people. You feel me? Rent money on this jacket right here. Like, I'm good. I'm all the way good. Then we got the crow raglan, which again, it has that same design on the front. It's almost about what article of clothing do you want it on, tee, a hoodie, or a jacket. They pretty much all have 2 to 3 different designs that they're picking from, that one being one of my favorites. Last up, we got 2 pieces which aren't from the collaboration, one of them being the Quiet Storm short sleeve. This one's you feel me? Nothing too special in my opinion. I do think the olive tone is This shit is ass. Literally, bro. Like, this is doo-doo. Doo-doo. Like, we good on that. And then last up, they wildin'. Like, who the fuck is picking this up? This shit, I'm good on this. This shit looks super smooth. Like, silky smooth. Like,
I love it.
Of course you do. I make you silky smooth. I tell you this.
we good on that piece right there. Honestly, if I were to pick anything up this week, it would be the pearl logo, but I'm not gonna pick that up. I do think it's fire in that cream color. I would have no problem rocking that. You can't go wrong with the accessories, but personally, I have way too many. Fitted cap is a must cop for me this week. Those cargo pants are fire, but I think I'd probably stick away from them. Knowing myself, I do think that they're beautiful though. Like, honestly, that tan color is amazing. I would love to spend one rack on a couple pieces this week. We do got the crow hooded sweatshirt, which is a must cop in my opinion. Either the hoodie or the tee, can't go wrong with either or. The long sleeve is a must cop once again in that tan color. Definitely need that one in my collection. I feel like the whole collaboration has something for somebody. A lot of people are sleeping on the collab, which I'm actually happy about because I want to pick up some stuff myself. This is my favorite week of the season so far. Hey, if you did enjoy this video, man, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Make sure you leave a like on it because that lets me know that you are enjoying the content, and it lets YouTube know that you're enjoying the content. That definitely does mean a lot when you guys go ahead and slap a like on it. Let's see if we can get this shit to over 150 likes. That would mean a lot if you guys could come through for me on that. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night.
They say they want a real one, they say they want